Today we talk about how can you fix this problem or know how you can do that on your Airline Commander app. So all you have to do, so you just click here on settings, click on it here. When you just click on settings, it's going to show for you a list like this here. So then you go down, just keep going down here, click here on apps, come to apps list here, and here you're looking for Airline Commander app, or just click on search, then here add Airline, add here Airline Commander app. It's going to show for you like this, click on it, then it's going to take you to this list. You click here on force stop, so then you click here on OK, then you go down here, just click here on storage, click on it, come to this list here, just click on clear cache. Then all you have to do, so you just go to your Play Store, click here on Play Store, search here for Airline Commander app. It's going to show for you like this. You will find here update, click on it, and it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.